Hi everybody, welcome so much to this channel. So today we are going to be relaxing this hair. It has been around 4 months and I believe this is around 2.5 inches of growth, as you can see here. Last night I applied some oils, shea butter and conditioner to my already relaxed hair. Applying this combination of oils and butters creates a protective barrier between my already relaxed hair and the chemicals from the relaxer I'm about to apply. Look how thick the hair at the back of my head is right now. Combing has been a nightmare. You can see me finger detangling as I section my hair into 4 parts. I'm going to feel for the line of demarcation. This is the line between where the new growth ends and the relaxed hair starts. Start twisting from right there, where the natural hair, the new growth, meets the relaxed hair. Since it's better safe than sorry, I apply an additional layer of Vaseline to my relaxed hair and I add a lot more Vaseline to my ends. I was born with this birthmark, I guess we can call it, at the back of my head. I don't know what happened, what it's about. You can imagine how badly it burns if I don't protect it before applying the relaxer. I put a bunch of Vaseline there and several times. I don't care if the hair around the area doesn't get processed as long as I've protected the scalp. Your hair should look like this after you've partitioned it inch by inch. So I'm just going to put them together, put them aside and work on the next section. Here is a close-up so that you can see exactly how I'm applying the Vaseline. I'm applying it only on the relaxed hair. If you are applying oils or Vaseline on your new growth, there is a high chance of it being under-processed after you apply the relaxer. I noticed I made a mistake there. Now that I'm done partitioning every section, I'm going to apply a very generous layer of Vaseline around my whole head. Don't forget your ears and your nape. With all the piercings I have, I cannot afford to skip this step. Let's get it started. I had so much psych. Most of you are familiar with the ORS relaxer, which is what I'm using today. You can also watch the reviews of this relaxer on YouTube. Don't forget your gloves. I'm going to add the liquid activator into the cream relaxer and then mix it for at least 2 minutes so that it's completely well mixed. It looks so delish, like whipped cream. You also have to be physically prepared. Stretch it out. You can't stop during applying the relaxer because it's a timed process. This is 15 minutes. I really hate using this brush. Make sure you use a tool that you're very comfortable with because these are chemicals. If you're doing this at home, we cannot afford any mistakes. What about you? Which tool do you prefer? I'm so curious. Please let me know in the comment section below. I'm going section by section using the smaller parts as a guidance system. Apply the relaxer from the new growth until where the twists begin. And I'm avoiding it directly touching the scalp. Make sure you put enough relaxer even if it is in the first round. Here I put way too little relaxer and I had to go over it all over again, which is messing up my time, right? To fix this problem, I'm going to go through every partition in that section again, adding relaxer, but I am not going to smooth it into the hair at all. There are 2 rounds of relaxer application. In the first round, you're applying to every partition but you're not smoothing the relaxer in. And in the second round, as you will see later in this video, I apply more relaxer and then I smooth it into every partition. Okay, so because we're not smoothing the relaxer into the hair, we are actually pinching it lightly to allow the relaxer to penetrate as many strands as it can. I'll let you go through a few more sections so that you can get the hang of it. The hair at the crown of your head is the toughest. That is the middle of your head, what we call your kisogo. That's why we start applying the relaxer from the crown of your head to the rest of your hair. The reason we're smoothing the relaxer in is to make sure it has penetrated every strand. Smoothing also allows us to stretch the hair out, which makes the relaxer even more effective. This allows me to make sure that the hair at the line of demarcation has the same texture as the new growth and the rest of the hair. It's almost impossible to prevent the relaxer falling on your already relaxed hair, but it's okay. I know I really protected it, so it's going to be okay. I only apply the relaxer to my edges at the end of the second round. That way, the relaxer only touches my edges for less than 5 minutes. Ladies, your scalp should never burn when you have the relaxer on. Right now, I feel no tingling, I feel no pain, so I don't feel the pressure to rush the process, you know? If you do experience any burning, you need to wash the relaxer off immediately. It's not worth it to let your scalp burn. Remember also that you need to start washing the relaxer off with warm water. And we're finally done. I'm just smoothing the relaxer into all the hair here, and then we can go and wash this out. This is how the back looks. I have a confession, I really love this part. It's so creamy and the hair just feels so nice. Now let's take off these gloves and jump in the shower. The first thing I do when I jump in the shower is start to rinse the relaxer out with warm water. Not cold, not hot, warm water. Don't be like me. I forgot to remove these twists before starting this washing process. Make sure you remove those twists before you start washing it. I wash as much relaxer off as I can before adding a neutralizing shampoo. This is the first round of neutralizing shampoo. I'm using the one that came in the box, the ORS shampoo. I really like this shampoo. I use it even when it's not relaxer day. It is just so effective and it leaves your hair so naturally moisturized. Right now I'm mostly focusing on the roots so that I can wash out as much relaxer as possible and it can stop processing the new growth. To make sure I have washed all the relaxer off my hair, I split it into smaller sections as I go. I focus on both the roots and the length of the hair. This is how much relaxer is left. Not so much, right? Oh, look at that hair. It came out so well. The texture is all uniform. You can't even tell the difference between where the new growth was and the rest of the hair. And look how good the back looks. Wow. I'm going to part it into smaller sections just to see how well the relaxer turned out. Ah, look at that. It looks so good and it's so black and healthy. It still has a lot of texture. And it's still so moisturized, by the way. The hair still feels soft and it's fluffy. I love it. I let my hair air dry too long, so I have to add a bit of water. What is that face I'm making? I'm using the ORS Replenishing Conditioner, which came with the original relaxer package. I genuinely like this conditioner. If I didn't have my own line of products, I would use it more often. And you know we have to apply this conditioner in sections, right? And I'm applying it from the roots to the ends. Because my roots now need more love, I make sure I apply it very generously as well, because of the relaxer. I'm using a white tooth comb to comb through my hair, detangle it, and to make sure that the conditioner has reached every strand. Focus on your ends, by the way, because they have been exposed to the relaxer. They need that extra love as well. I then make a twist and keep it out of the way. I repeat this process in smaller sections to all of my hair. I'm gliding down the excess conditioner to my ends. Look at that length. This hair was giving me life. This relaxing process is amazing. It gives me the same results every single time. And you can see that from the even texture in all of my hair. I hope you try it and that you like it and you get amazing results. You can even DM me and let me know. I love talking to all of you. I'm just looking at how my ends are doing and I need a trim. I'm done applying the conditioner. That's how it looks from the back. So I covered it with a plastic cup and then a shower cup just to generate more heat. These are the final results. Wow! It came out so well and it's still so black and healthy and thick. And you can see it still has so much texture even after I've straightened it. I wasn't very confident in the health of my ends, so I had to trim them. By the way, cutting my ends was one of the best decisions I've ever made. This is the ORS Moisturizing Lotion that came with the pack. I like using the products that came with a package because they were designed to work together. And I got the best results anyway, so I'm happy. This is the Unmasked Hair Growth Elixir. It's my favorite oil. It is a major contributor to why my hair is so healthy and why it's growing so long. When you use it with the moisturizer it comes with, you get such nice results. For more details, just check the description below this video.
Oh yeah. It's so black. I'm loving the blackness, if you couldn't tell. It was quite a long process because of trimming my ends. Oh, here I was feeling so hot. I was so tired though. Look at my edges, looks so good. Still have texture but they are soft and everything. Okay, I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and please subscribe, like, and thank you for being here. Mwah.